Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mohsin Riaz, Subject Specialist, Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and Inter College, Sahiwal. I welcome you on online classes at DPS and Inter College, Sahiwal. Let's have a look on today's lesson.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. So today's lesson learning objectives are: by the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand the religious beliefs of Indus Valley civilization. So before going to the topic, we will briefly discuss previous topics. As you know, we have already discussed importance of history, in which we learn basic aim of history is to keep the new generation up to date about country and its tradition, so that we can plan our future. The second topic we discuss is how Indus Valley civilization had been discovered and where we find the signs of Indus Valley civilization. Then we discuss periods of Indus Valley civilization, which are three: primary period, middle and last period. Then we discuss important cities of Indus Valley civilization, which are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Then we learn the Indus Valley relations with contemporary civilization, that are Egypt, Mesopotamia and Sumeria. Before discussing the religious beliefs, we must learn about the evolution of religion in the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization के मजहबी अकायद तीन मुख्तलिफ मज़ाहब से मुतासर थे। इनमें हिंदुइज़म, बुद्धिज़्म और जैनिज़्म शामिल हैं। इसलिए इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के लोग कसीरुल मज़ाहब अकायद रखते थे, मतलब एक से ज़्यादा मज़ाहब के तहत इबादत करते थे। So the local population of Indus Valley civilizations are called Dravidians. These Dravidians have mixed genetic origin and formed initially due to the mixture of indigenous South Asian hunter-gatherers and Neolithic West Asian farmers from Iran. इन हक़ाइक़ से ये हम जान सकते हैं कि किस तरह इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के लोगों के मजहबी अकायद और रसूमात परवान चढ़े। अब हम इनको तफसील से देखते हैं कि ये अकायद क्या थे। इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के मज़हब के बारे में यकीनी तौर पर कुछ कहना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि ये मुख्तलिफ मज़ाहब के पैरोकार थे, मगर फिर भी आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट काफ़ी हद तक कामयाब हुए हैं। So during the excavation of land, seals were found which support the evidence of Indus Valley civilization gods. So archaeologists learn about the religious beliefs on the basis of seals found during excavation. So three types of seals are found. The first type of seals show animals that resembles two gods, Shiva and Rudra. These animals are alive: bull, rhino, lion and elephant. It also shows horned figures surrounded by animals. So the second type of seals depicts tree. इनके अक़ीदे के मुताबिक इस दरख्त की हिफाजत एक स्पिरिट करती है जो कि बुरी चीज़ों से उसको बचाती है। जो हिफाजत पर हैं उनमें बुल, स्नेक और गोट या फर्जी तस्वीर है। An evil force is represented by a tiger. The third type of seal is that shows a figure sitting in a position that may be similar to yoga pose, जो कि हिस्म की निशानदही करती है। इससे एक चीज़ का अंदाज़ा ये भी लगाया जा सकता है कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन का रिलीजन इन्फ्लुएंस था हिंदुइज़्म के साथ। So likewise, Indus Valley people worshipped a father god who may have been the forefather of the race. They also worshipped mother goddesses, symbolizing fertility. They also worshipped statues, clay statues, and there are many signs that were found during excavation. They have clay statues. ये लोग मरने के बाद जीने पर यकीन रखते थे, इसलिए अपने मुर्दों को दफनाते भी थे और जलाते भी थे, जलाने के बाद राख को खूबसूरत वेसल्स में रखा जाता था। ये उनका अकीदा था। So during the early days of their culture, the Indus Valley people buried their dead. Afterwards, they conducted cremations and kept the ashes in vessels. They may have believed in life after death after the discovery of pottery and ornaments in the graveyards. Now we will recapitulate the topic. So do you know by whom religion of Indus Valley people was influenced? Yes, very right. Religion of Indus Valley civilization was influenced by three religions: Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism. So do you know who were Dravidians? Yes, good. The local population of the Indus Valley civilization was called Dravidians. So do you know how did archaeologists find the religion of Indus Valley people? Yes, right. Archaeologists found different types of seals during excavation of land which depicts the religion belief of Indus Valley people. Do you know how many types of seals were found during excavation of land? Yes, right. 3 types of seals were found during excavation of land. Number 1 is seals showing animals. Number 2, seals depicting trees of holy values. Number 3, seals representing figure sitting in yoga position. So do you know which type of statues were found from Indus Valley civilization? Yes, very right. There are 4 types of statues. Number 1 are clay statues, statue of father god, statue of mother goddesses, and statue of animals. So, do you know which belief did mother goddesses symbolize? Yes, good. Mother goddesses symbolizing fertility. Now it's time of assessment. We will solve these MCQs. Now, who will tell me the answer of first question? The first question is, who were Dravidians? Yes, very right. Option A, locals. So question number 2. How many types of seals were found during excavation of land? Yes, very right. Option C. There were 3 seals that were found during excavation of land. Question number 3. Who will tell me which belief did mother goddesses symbolizes? Yes, very right. Fertility. Option B is the right answer. Okay, question number 4. How did Indus Valley people treat their dead bodies? Yes, very right. Bury and burnt. Option C. Now it is the last point of our assessment. Religious beliefs of Indus Valley civilization were mainly influenced by which religion? Yes, very right. Option B, Hinduism. Now your favorite task is going to unveil, that is home assignment. So learn and write the topic of religious beliefs of Indus Valley civilization. Dear students, I hope you enjoy the whole session. Keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.